أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Your love is all I need, Allah.
Dearest young scholars, today we are going to conclude a discussion session on poetry. And what was the whole session about? Poetry as a genre, its terminology, the concepts which we are supposed to understand in order to comprehend the poems. So we discussed so many things related to this genre. What is poetry? What are the elements of the poetry? And then the subcategories and so many things now. I'm sure that whatever has been discussed so far, your concepts are clear.
Yes.
Today we are going to conclude it now. And its conclusion is at the heading mood. When we talk about poetry, so you know that mood is one of the features of it. What is mood? The mood is the name of
Atmosphere.
first. Mood means the
Atmosphere.
which some poet creates in his poem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that
Atmosphere.
which is created by some poet in his poem is called its mood. Mood of the poem. What is clear?
Yes,
Or
as the name of
emotion. Where?
in the
In the poem. And who creates that?
the poet.
The poet. Now the question is, what is meant by emotion? Amina.
Emotion is the name of feeling.
Okay, feeling. G, Mr. Madani.
Thinking against something or someone.
Okay. Meaning of emotion is clear?
Yes, sir.
Second thing is now that mood is the name of emotion. So mood is the atmosphere or emotion in the poem created by the poet. The mood, I'm sure your concept is clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This mood, it can be happy,
Or
mean happy atmosphere, happy emotion.
emotions.
This mood can be angry, means angry atmosphere, angry emotions. This mood can be silly, means silly environment and
Silly emotion.
silly emotions. The mood of the poem can be sad, means
The atmosphere of the poem
emotion.
the atmosphere of the poem
and
and
the emotions of the poem
can
are
be sad. Excited means excited atmosphere is there in the poem and excited emotions are there in the poem. Fearful, meaning of thoughtful is clear?
Yes, sir.
When we talk about mood, which is always over there in every poem, in every poem there is always environment. In every poem there is always emotion. And these emotions, these atmosphere, this emotion, clear? They can be happy, they can be angry, they can be silly, they can be sad, they can be excited, they can be fearful, or they can be thoughtful. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
And there can be many more. Number 3, ready?
Yes, sir.
The poet uses words and images, I'm sure.
Yes,
sir.
Your concepts are clear,
Yes.
images
Yes.
and words, to create Mood.
Then
How is this mood created?
with the
By
use of
the-
words.
Clear? The poet sees something. Whatever the poet sees,
They-
he tells us. He expresses that.
Yes.
He conveys to us.
He informs us.
He informs us. He enables us to know, see the same. But how?
With the
In
use
the
of words.
With the help of the words which that poet uses.
Yes.
Or with the help of the images the writer creates.
Yes,
Points clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So this atmosphere
this
and
emotion
this emotion,
Emotions.
these both are created,
by
By
the
the-
poet.
clear? Or they both create mood.
Right.
And this mood is now created with the help of words and
Help of
images. And who creates that?
The poet.
The poet. 3 points.
Clear.
yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Author's purpose helps determine mood. We discussed it, what
Yes.
the
Okay.
purpose is now. As the purpose of the author is,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
The mood
Of-
shall be accordingly.
Yes, sir.
If the purpose is sadness,
The mood of
the mood will be sad. If the purpose is exciting, the mood will be exciting. Is the purpose is no silly nonsense,
Yes, sir,
nonsense
nonsense.
poem, no? So the mood will be nonsense.
Yes.
If the purpose is exciting, the mood will be exciting. Is the purpose is angry,
The mood will be
anger, no? If
Yes,
the
sir.
purpose is anger, the mood will be angry. If the mood is, if the purpose is love, the mood will be loving or love. Love poem, hate poem, patriotic poem, and so on. First,
Yes.
any question?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
The last moments of our sessions regarding
Poetry.
the genre poetry. Clear?
Yes.
We shall start poems now, which are there in your syllabus very soon, inshallah. Whenever we read, so we should read for meaning. Very, very important. When we read, so there are different questions which now you can say occur in our minds. So we should keep addressing those questions. Address the question and find the answer. It shall develop your understanding. This technique shall provide you with finding the meanings.
Right.
First of all, it's we to look at the title. The title of the poem provides clues. The title provides us with topic, with the mood. It lets us know who the speaker is.
Yes.
It lets us know what is
Author.
the purpose of the
Author.
author. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
So looking at the title of the poem is very, very important. To understand its meaning is very important. Because this title has so many things. They are clues about the topic, clues about the mood, clues about the speaker, clues about the author's purpose. The second thing that is
Rhythm.
rhythm. Rhythm can be fast or slow. But why? We have already discussed now.
Yes.
It depends on the mood of the poem.
If the mood
Exciting mood,
And
so rhythm shall be fast. Sad mood, the rhythm shall be
slow.
slow. Then there are sound devices, and there are four
in
number.
number.
We have discussed
That's in
them in
detail.
detail. Then there is imagery.
Imagery is
We
also-
have discussed that in detail. Then there are figures of speech discussed.
Yeah.
There are so many in number,
Many.
but we discussed
in
four.
Four.
yes,
Clear?
Yes.
Metaphor, simile,
Personification.
personification, onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia.
That is also no that
five
is one.
hypertrophy.
There's many, there are
Yes,
many,
sir.
no? Then there's a voice. Did we discuss?
Yes.
sir.
Voice,
Voice.
no?
Yes, sir.
Then there is no author's
Author
purpose. Then mood. And very, very important, plot.
Plot.
We have postponed it for the detailed discussion, but idea we have discussed. Look, that what is happening in the poem.
Right, sir.
Details in the next sessions, the day we start
The story.
story, which is going to be started
Yes.
tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Do you have any question as far as poetry is concerned?
No, sir.
Poetry is clear.
Yes.
A written work meant to be heard.
Heard.
Now it has four
Four
elements. The first
Number
one is
a rhythm.
rhythm. Number two,
Sound.
sound. Number three,
Imagery.
imagery. Number
And
four,
form.
form. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And rhythm, different rhyming schemes are there.
And
Then
that's
sound device,
sound
the
and
four
four
number,
Yes.
different forms are there.
Yes.
We discussed
In
all these things in detail.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.
कोई मत वार